Today we're gonna see some chickies, and here's my Missy garage. So let's go see the baby birds. They were just born, and we just found them in our backyard. So we were cutting down a tree because it almost fell on us, and we saw the baby birds, and we're trying to save it because it was just born. It's so small. It's so small. It's so cute. Look at that. So
They're so
cute.
hungry. Hopefully their mama comes back.
Yeah. Can you hear that? Can you hear it? Oh, and look at the egg. They're so cute. They're hungry. So cute. And they are so cute. Going to sleep.
You shouldn't normally play with the babies, but these ones we found on the ground.
Yeah.
So we're trying to give them the best chance they can to survive. We don't know if it will work.
They're so cute.
The tree got cut down.
I didn't told them that.
And their nest wasn't working anymore. And we've seen their mom and dad flying around, but they haven't come.
So cute. So cute. So, if you liked this video, please like and subscribe. Bye. Well, actually, I'm gonna go on my scooter. Let me go on my scooter. Actually, never mind. So, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Comment on the thing from 1 to 10 how cute those birdie were. Bye.